Hey, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. I post lifestyle content, unboxing videos, product reviews, and I play games sometimes. So if that sounds like something you like, feel free to hit the subscribe button. Today I unboxed the Samsung T7 portable SSD, and this is in the indigo blue color. I think they had quite a few color options available. There was like silver and black, and I believe there was a red one as well. But I picked the blue, the indigo blue, because it just looked the coolest out of the lot. Okay, that's in my opinion. You might like red, you might go for the red one, or you might like something more classic, so you might stick to a silver or a black, something more neutral, but that is totally up to you. I was interested to see how the indigo blue might look in real life. I believe Samsung also has the T7 Touch, which features like a touch bar or something that kind of locks and unlocks the drive, but I wasn't sure if that was a feature that I really needed, so I just decided to go for the regular T7 without the touch screen. Here it is. Ooh, very pretty. In real life, it's this really bright electric blue, and it's just, there's this smooth matte finish, and it's kind of reflective in the sun. And yeah, of course, the Samsung logo, very, very minimal in design. I guess you wouldn't expect a lot of bells and whistles on a hard drive, I guess. Okay, so I'm just gonna take it out, and there it is. Look at how small it is. This is like, it's the size of like my palm. So imagine like all your files like stored in this tiny thing, and it's quite slim too. This is probably the smallest kind of like portable drive that I've ever owned, honestly. Like my hard drives are all like, I think twice this size and like twice as fat. So the box also comes with its own set of wires. So I believe there's an instruction manual in here as well. Yeah, so here's the instruction manual, and then the two wires. So they have one that is USB-C to USB-C, I think, and then they have the traditional thumb drive version USB. So even if your device uses like the old one, like this has got you covered. So yeah, that's basically it for this unboxing. I will test this out and I might post a review or a follow-up. Yeah, let me know what you think. Any products that you recommend I unbox next, feel free to let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye!